So what are we making today?
Chicken bacon ranch potato bake.
Chicken bacon ranch potato bake. It
Yeah.
sounds amazing.
It's a tongue twister. Okay, first thing we have to do is preheat the oven to 450. We need 1 cup of cooked and crumbled bacon. So I'm just going to fry a pound. I think that's going to be about a cup. We'll measure it after it's cooked. Okay, we're going to let the bacon cool, and then we'll crumble it and measure it shortly. We are going to use 1.5 pounds of potatoes. The yellow smalls are just a little bit easier. You don't have to do quite so much dicing. Okay, so now we're going to add 1/4 cup of ranch dressing and salt and pepper to taste to our potatoes. This is going to go into our 9.5 by 11-inch oblong pan. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes and stir it after each 10-minute interval. Save your mixing bowl, we're going to use that again. While the potatoes are cooking, we're going to dice 2 pounds of chicken. As I dice this, I'm just going to toss it in that same mixing bowl. The chicken will get the same treatment as the potatoes. Another 1/4 cup of ranch dressing, salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to set this chicken aside to marinate while the potatoes are cooking. While that's going on, I'm going to go ahead and dice my bacon. Here, you can have this one.
Oh,
Okay, we turned the oven down to 400. Got the potatoes out. Put the chicken that's been marinating in the ranch on top of the potatoes. The dish is hot, so you want to use your oven mitts when you're pressing down your aluminum foil. Okay, we're going to stick this back in the oven for 20 minutes or until the temperature reaches 165 degrees in the chicken. All right, our timer just went off. The next thing I'm going to do is sprinkle the bacon bits on top. 1/2 cup of green onions.
I'm excited.
2 cups of Mexican cheese. I can hear your belly growling. It's just going to go back in the oven long enough to melt the cheese. 8 to 10 minutes, that should do it. And it is ready.
Wow. Cheese, bacon, potatoes.
It's stringing off.
It's awesome. Oh my gosh. I'm in heaven. Is that the best dish or what?
This is in the rotation.
Here you go. Another home run.